Want to get verified on Instagram? In the past, you could only get verified if you were famous, had a popular business, or had an in with someone at Instagram that could help you out. But now, there's a new Instagram feature that allows users to request verification of their account. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get verified on Instagram. Now let's get started. This feature is built right into Instagram and doesn't cost money, and anyone can submit a request. There's no minimum number of followers required. To begin, open the Instagram app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings at the bottom. Scroll down and tap Request Verification. You'll then be taken to a page where you'll need to type in your full name. You'll then need to add a photo of a government-issued photo ID or official business documents if you're verifying an account for a business you own. To attach a photo, tap Choose File. Then, select the photo you want to add. When you're done, tap Send at the bottom. This will submit your verification request to Instagram. You'll then have to wait for your verification request to be reviewed. If your request is approved, you'll be notified that your account has been verified, and a blue Verified checkmark will appear next to your name on your Instagram profile. You may be more likely to have your request approved if you have more followers, or if you're well known enough that people might make fake accounts of you. The verified badge is intended to show people that are searching for you that your account is indeed the real you. If your request isn't approved, don't worry. You can submit another request again in the future. That's all it takes to get verified on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.